I'm Mario, and I'm the project manager at NOKOLIGHT. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to the concept of the NOKOLIGHT. I'll walk you through each step, from assembly to your very first ride. Let's begin the unboxing process by opening the box. Before removing the bike, we first need to take out all the frame protections and the accessories placed on top of the yellow foam layer. After taking the bike out of the box, we start by removing all the protections: zip ties, foam pads, and floorboard. And don't forget to remove the protective cover from the rear wheel area as well. Assembling the NOKOLIGHT is very straightforward. There are just three main concepts to keep in mind: installing the front wheel, mounting the handlebar, and fitting the seat post. Carry out these steps. You'll find all the necessary tools inside the welcome kit included in the box. To mount the front wheel, we start by unscrewing the axle using a 6mm Allen key. There's one more thing to do before inserting the wheel. Remove the spacer placed between the brake caliper pads. Now we're ready to install the front wheel, making sure the brake disc doesn't touch the caliper. Insert the axle from the left side of the fork and screw it into place. Once the bike is resting on the side stand, we rotate the handlebar stem using a 4mm Allen key. To do this, we gently loosen the two bolts on the sides of the stem. Then we tighten those bolts slightly again to hold the stem in place. Now, let's begin the full handlebar assembly. After removing the front plate from the stem, we place the handlebar onto the stem clamp. And remember, the gear shifter should be on the right side. To finish mounting the handlebar, adjust it to the angle you prefer. Then, tighten all 4 screws using a cross pattern to ensure even pressure. Make sure the stem is aligned with the front wheel, and then finalize the tightening. You can do this either from in front of the bike or by sitting astride it. Personally, I prefer sitting astride. Just a few more steps before your first ride. Let's move on by inserting the seat post into the seat tube. One of the key features of the NOKOLIGHT is the external battery. You can choose between a 250 watt-hour or a 370 watt-hour battery when ordering. Removing the battery is simple and intuitive.
La batteria della NOKOLIGHT ha tre parti principali da sottolineare.
The first is the front button, which shows the battery charge level. The second is the main power switch. And finally, the charging port, which allows you to charge the battery even when it's disconnected from the bike. Installing the battery is also quick and easy. Just connect the cable to the port located on the down tube of the frame. Inside the NOKO Welcome Kit, you'll also find the pedals. The left pedal is marked with the letter L, and the right with the letter R. Both pedals are screwed in toward the front wheel. More specifically, the left pedal turns counterclockwise, and the right pedal turns clockwise. Start threading the pedals in by hand, then tighten them using a wrench. We're now very close to our first ride on the NOKOLIGHT. First, make sure the main battery switch is set to on. Then, press the button located on the handlebar next to the left grip to power up the system.
Come potete vedere, le NOKOLIGHT sono disponibili in versione bicolore, in particolare una parte è opaca e una invece metallizzata. Le NOKOLIGHT sono disponibili in 4 taglie, S, M, L ed XL. Dopo questo piccolo off topic torniamo adesso all'accensione.
When configuring your NOKOLIGHT, you can choose between a standard display and a premium, larger display. On the screen, you'll find two main pieces of information: your current speed, for example, 0 kilometers per hour, and your battery level, for example, fully charged at 100%. By tapping the top or bottom of the screen, you can easily change the pedal assist levels. The levels go from 0, the Eco mode, all the way up to level 5, where the motor provides full power. I think we can all agree that now we have everything we need to ride the NOKOLIGHT with confidence. All that's left is to put on your helmet and enjoy your first trip. The NOKOLIGHT comes in 4 sizes and 3 bicolor options: green and black, black and white, white and black. The battery is fully removable and can be configured as either 250 watt-hours or 380 watt-hours. As mentioned earlier, turn the bike on using the button on the display. And get ready to enjoy your first ride with the NOKOLIGHT. What makes the NOKOLIGHT unique is the fact that the 250 watt-hour or 380 watt-hour battery is completely external. It can be easily charged both at home and directly on the bike. The NOKOLIGHT can be configured with an 11-speed SRAM Apex drivetrain or with the 10-speed Grinta group set. NOKOLIGHT is all about lightness. Lightness of the frame, lightness of the ride, and lightness in how you use it. It's very easy and intuitive. NOKOLIGHT comes equipped with dual-piston hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear with 160mm rotors for each wheel. NOKOLIGHT is designed to meet every need, from urban commuting to off-road adventures. Its frame and components absorb bumps and vibrations very effectively, offering a riding experience that's both smooth and responsive. You can also configure your NOKOLIGHT with fenders and a rear rack. The maximum load capacity of the rear rack is 15 kilograms. The side kickstand comes standard. One more useful feature of the NOKOLIGHT is the Walk Assist mode. By pressing the menu button on the screen, you activate uphill assistance. This way, you can push the bike uphill without any effort at all, even when walking it by hand. Thanks for choosing NOKOLIGHT. For more information or support, feel free to reach out to our customer service team.